Welcome to Quarantini with Stefano. Today's Quarantini, Kalimotxo.
Good evening, ladies and germs. I'm Stefano, and this is Quarantini, the only interweb show created to get you through the quarantine with ample amounts of alcohol. Tonight's Quarantini is Kalimotxo, otherwise known as poor man's sangria. It is an effervescent delight that hails from the Basque region of Spain and is hugely popular with the young folks. What you'll need to make Kalimotxo is cheap red wine and Coca-Cola. This is the simplest, low-browiest quarantini we've done so far. Let's get to it. So, the first time I had Kalimotxo, I was traveling through Italy on a scholarship from the Italian American Foundation, and we were right outside of Positano, this little town, and there was one bar, and it was called El Gringo's in Italy. So me and my friends go to El Gringo's, and it was packed with all of these young Italian people. And behind the bar were these three really hot guys, these like three young bartenders who didn't know how to make a drink at all. The only thing they knew how to do was pour wine, pour beer, and make Kalimotxos. So they became highly obsessed with the young women I was traveling with, left the bar, put those women on their Vespas, and took off through the countryside of Positano, leaving me to bartend, and I don't speak Italian. So I learned that night how to make Kalimotxo and how to bartend in a foreign country where I don't speak the language, even with a name like Stefano. It's a sin. Anyway, Kalimotxo, my favorite thing, I love it. Half red wine, half Coca-Cola, a squeeze of lemon if you have it, you don't even need to, and drink like the Dickens. We're gonna get through it together.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. We're desperate for your approval.